right, these are the kind of shapes that we want to get. We want them to expand a little bit, and then they'll be all different sizes, and later on we're going to sort them out in order to get them that way. But this makes it look like nice and light and airy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your strips of paper, and if you use your thumbnail or something, you know how like you curl ribbon? It's the same concept. We're going to do that, and then we are going to kind of, this is the hard part, you're going to kind of fold it just the tiniest little bit and catch it. And if you roll it between your fingers and then grab the sides of it, roll it between your fingers, grab the sides of it, you'll end up getting a nice tight little circle right there. So once I get that going, roll it, grab it, roll it, grab it. This is hard to do in the video. So then when I get down to the end here, I'm going to let it go. And ideally, we're going to have to try and find some that match. So I want to try and get it about the same size for these. If you can't, you'll be rolling like 40 of these in order to get enough elements together. You want to put like the tiniest amount of glue on there because it's less messy and it also glues faster then. And then I'm just going to hold it for about a 5 count. And then when I'm done with it, it should be all good to go. And like I said, I'm going to make 40 of these, and then we're going to put them all together and we're going to demonstrate radial symmetry along 2 axes. Okay?